Alrighty guys, so this is another update of what I've been doing lately, and this is the latest drawing. Again, this is how I learn very quickly and what not to do and what to do. Yeah, so this is how I've been learning very quickly in approaching my fundamentals of drawing, and also how I am being able to get the structure down very quickly and the necessary detail and basically the fundamentals of drawing for, say, like a painting, charcoal, whatever. So yeah, I'll just get on with it. All were good speed. If you'd like to know what good speed is, just comment below, but I'm just going to get on with it. So good speed, the first one, as you can see, the head shape isn't right, specifically around this area, and even the nose just wasn't correct. And the overall, if you look from, say, from there, the rest of the drawing is actually not too bad, specifically the torso and the neck. However, when I do that, it just takes it away. So yeah, I knew what to do after that and how to improve the side of the face, or at least what not to do, or how to approach it, I should say. Tongue twisted there. So yeah, I'm trying to improve here as well. So that was a gestural approach for the hair, and this was Loomis gestural and observational. Second one was a little bit more improved, and specifically the hair and the layout of the face. You can actually see the difference between even the mouth and the eyes compared to this one. So I'm quite happy with that, especially the torso. I'm starting to get the torso as well. Again, same methods, and managed to be able to, I was starting to try and get the eyes to look down. I don't know whether you can tell or whether it just looks really muddy. I don't know what you can see on the video. Hopefully you can actually see it clear where I was trying to get it looking down. Third one, you can see that the guy was looking down, and I'm actually really quite happy with the end result. I would have preferred the only thing about this third one, I should have made the face slightly wider, but I'll know for future reference, and also if I will create these drawings again, I know what to do to get the good results the first time essentially. I simplified the approach this time, and I was able to get the mouth slightly open and also have it open in a way that you can tell it's at an angle, if that makes sense. And the gestural hair, and I overall think that the results were actually fair, considering I actually ran out of space as well, so I didn't want to put too many lines and then make it look just chaotic. Yeah, happy so far with the day, and I shall see you next time. If you can comment, like, subscribe, start a conversation, that would be awesome. Let me know what you think and also what you have been drawing lately. Bye!